HTML Text Formatting Tags Full Guide. Bold, Italic, Underline, Strikethrough. Subscript and Superscript. Code blocks. Hey everyone. Welcome back to this HTML series. In this video, we'll learn how to format text in HTML using bold, italic, underline, and even code blocks, all with examples. Let's go. 1. Bold and strong. B and strong. Use B to make text bold visually. Use strong when the text is important, search engines and screen readers will notice it. 2. Italic and emphasized. I versus M. I slants the text. M emphasizes meaning again, better for accessibility. 3. Underline. U. Use U to underline text, but don't use it for links unless it is a link. 4. Strike through and deleted. S and they. S shows incorrect or outdated info. Del is often used in change tracking. Superscript and subscript. Sub. These are perfect for math and chemistry. Code and preformatted text. Code. Pre. These tags are used to show programming code with preserved formatting. Let's now switch to versus code and try these live. Here's the separate HTML code block for each tag, so I explain one by one in our versus code or video tutorial. At the end, I'll also give you a recap file that uses all tags together. Examples of each tags. 1. Bold, B. P. This is B bold B text, P. Two. Strong, strong. P. This is strong important strong text, P. Three. Italic, I. P. This is I italic I text, P. 4. Emphasized, M. P. This is M emphasized M text, P. 5. Underline, U. P. This is an U underlined U word, P. 6. Strike through, S. P. This is S wrong S text, P. 7. Deleted, Dale. P. This text was Dale deleted Dale greater than less than P. 8. Subscript, sub. P. Water formula, H sub to sub OP. 9. Superscript, sub. P. Power, 5 sub to sub is equal to 25 P. 10. Code. P. Example of code inline code inside a paragraph, P. 11. Preformatted plus code, pre-code. Pre-code. Function greet. Console.log, hello. Code. Pre. code blocks. Here's a quick recap of everything we learned. These tags are super useful when writing clean and readable content in HTML. That's it for today. If this helped you, hit like, subscribe, and comment below if you want a cheat sheet. Next up, we'll cover semantic tags in HTML. Don't miss it.